Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. I am Marifelo Vega, 37 years old, from Philippines. I am married with three daughters, ages 21, 19, and 18. My educational background is I'm a college undergraduate. I took up a course of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Social Science. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I serve one couple with two children, ages 2 years old and 7 years old. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, and washing. I also take care pets like dogs and cats. I have also work experience in Oman since 2013 until 2015. I also serve one couple with one child. I also do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. To my future employer, please hire me because I am an honest, cheerful, and hardworking helper. I promise that I will treat you as my family and I will stay to finish my contract for 2 years or as long as you needed me. Thank you. I'm hoping for your feedback.